What's good, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. This is Erden, and we are back with another live COD video. Apologies in advance because I couldn't really do a live COD video last week. I got relatively busy, so we're actually putting last week's footage with this week's footage together. All right, so hopefully you guys understand, and we have a jam-packed live COD session for you guys this week. Last week we had the box logo Supreme long sleeve shirt drops. Stay tuned to see how we did last week. And also this week we have some relatively intense drops. We start the week off with the Justin Bieber Croc collaboration. That's something Crocs has been doing well for the past few releases with the Bad Bunny as well as the Grateful Dead. So we're going to try to go for some of that. We also have the Jordan 1 Lucky Green drop. This one is the kind of Heineken colorway, remind most people of the Heineken Dunk colorway. So very good looking shoe. We're gonna see if we can go for some. It's gonna be a hard drop because it's in women's sizing only. So anytime there's Jordan 1 women's sizing only, it's gonna be hard. We also have the Supreme this week, Nike Supreme Air Max. I'm not gonna go for it, nor am I gonna go for the fleece jackets. I know it might fetch decent profit when it comes to resale, but I'm gonna save up some money for the drops later on this month. We also have the Jordan 1 Zoom. This is called the Sisterhood. It's a kind of a royal blue colorway. It comes in Jordan 1 High and Jordan 1 Mid. That one, it's decent. I'm not gonna go too hard at it. Just wanna say thank you guys so much for your support. If you guys do like this week's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have not done so yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell first, all right? Thank you guys so much. We're almost at 1,000 subscriber goal. So I hope we can get there with this video, all right? Now, let's get into the live cops.
Depot on the beat.
Oh, I got one. Finally, holy crap. Two, let's go. Got one. I heard it. Nice. Alright, so to recap what happened today. For the initial drop, I was able to get 3 box logos. That was 2 on Cyber, 1 on Vlogs. My wife was running Vlogs in the room. Mech, I think it's my fault. I don't think it's Mech's fault at all because most people were checking out crazy on Mech. I was not able to solve capture fast enough. My dumbass decided to try it for manual. I don't know why I did that, but that was my fault for sure. And I was able to cop another one off of a restock on Cyber, so that brings our total to 4. Decent success. Not any really money sizes. I think most of them mine are medium and large. 1 extra large actually. So for the initials, I think, you know, I could have done better for sure, but a W is a W, right? I'll take it. We'll move on from there. Let's see how we do the rest of the day. Just want to talk about 2 new sponsors we got this week. Number 1, it's EasyClick Gmails. This Gmail provider is the one I'm solely using at this moment for Supreme one-click, easy supply B3 captures, as well as Shopify one-clicks. They have some really nice Gmails in their inventory, and I've been using them exclusively for Shopify drops as well as Supreme, and they've been really, really good for me. So if you guys do want to check them out, I have the link below in my descriptions, as well as a coupon code. Just enter Erden's Kitchen and you will be able to get 20% off, all right? And lastly, we have Proxies. They've been kindly enough to sponsor me as well, and Proxies, you guys seen Nova's video, you guys know how good they are. They've been really, really good for me as well for easy supply drops, as well as some foot side drops. So hopefully you guys will like them. Definitely take a look if you guys get the chance. I'll put their link down below as well. All right, now let's get back to the live cop. So that was my fault. That was totally my fault. When the drop came, somehow my keyword was not picking up the product, but I was getting captchas. So I thought it picked up, and I didn't check closely before I did the mass link change. So I solved the captchas, and by the time I update the link, it already sold out. So that was totally a big mistake on my part. So I gotta show you guys some of the mistakes that happens as well. I can't just only show you the successes. So yeah, that's honestly my fault. So today is pretty tough. Initially for undefeated, I wasn't able to hit, and that was completely my own fault. I was running, foot-side bots as well as Shopify bots for Kith. Luckily for us, we were able to hit one on Kith with Balko. Balko is still the king of Shopify, and I ran it on local proxy, so I was able to get one. And then for foot sites, I actually got 4 checkouts, 3 on EasyCop, 1 on Cyber. Unfortunately, 3 of them got canceled instantly, so I only have 1 left. That's a size 8.5. So I couldn't get any of the larger sizes. This seems like a very, very tough drop. It's kind of expected, given that the history of Jordan 1s that are in women's sizings are always limited. Most recent one being the Jordan 1 satin red, the snakeskin. So as we can see, this is definitely a tough drop, but congrats to everyone who copped. Even 1 or 2, I'm still happy with the result. A W is a W, So it turns out I might have another meeting, so you will not see me. You will just see the screen and the background, and hopefully we'll do a recap afterwards, if there's any recap for us to do. So so let's take a look, see how we did. I didn't even follow the screen too closely, to be honest. So let's see. So I was initially going for Shoe Palace, but it's already out of stock like instantly. So I didn't try too much other than that. And then I think I got 1 on EasyCop. We were able to get 1 here. Yep, we got 1 here. This is the checkout. And then Kodai, we were able to get another Kobe here. So that's 2 Kobe's. This is another Kobe 5 we were able to cop. So helped me feel better about yesterday, And then let's see, TSB for the Nike Zoom. We were able to poop 1 right here, and then we were able to poop another 1 right here. I've been striking out in TSB, you've seen it for God knows 5 months now since I made my TSB video, but I'm glad I was able to hit. So overall, pretty good day. Hey guys, as we can see, this is all the shipment we got in for the past 2 weeks. All the Easy Carbons that finally came in. We got a total of 30 of them. We had around 80 checkouts, so 30 out of 80. Overall, relatively happy about that. Let's take a closer look at this Easy. I really like these. Remember I said this, in my opinion, this is better than the Easy Triple Black. I may take that back, but overall, this Easy is still very nice looking. I like this a lot. You don't have a tying lace. This is just kind of like here, but I really do dig it. I think this is a very nice Easy, to be honest. I know the price is not holding up too well right now because of the stock number. I think, and I firmly believe this will go up later on. Next, we got all the box logo long sleeves. They finally came in. So we got 1 white extra large, 2 medium blacks, and 1 orange. And this one's pretty, I gotta say. I'm glad I was able to cop 4. I know some people will be copping like 10 or above, so congrats. These are fetching decent profit. All right, next, this is off of the foot side restock. Thank you to EasyCop. I heard about the foot side restock on these Jordan 1 mid Chicagos, and I just ran EasyCop. And instantly I got 11 checkouts. One got canceled, 2 more is on the way. We got overall 8 of them, all of them are size 7.5. These are really nice looking. Like, I had one that was a size 11 that I sold for like $150, but now these things are going up a lot. And with the Jordan 1 mid being really hot right now for some reason, as well as this is a Chicago colorway, is gonna go up even more later on. So if you guys do get a chance, definitely keep an eye out on your COOKGROUP's monitors for the Jordan 1 mids. These are very, very profitable. So hopefully you guys are keen to that as well, all right? All right, so that's all we have for this week. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you guys do like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have not done so yet, don't forget to join the kitchen and hit that subscribe button and notification bell for us, all right? We're at 900 somewhat subscribers now, so thank you guys so much for the support. Let's break that 1,000 subscriber goal with this video. I know we can do it. So thank you guys so much again. In the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.